What are we smoking here?
Smoking Northwoods in the Northwoods. Out of this somewhat cheap $30 pipe at a local pipe shop. Not even a pipe
does
shop.
That smell good.
But this is Northwoods, the good pipe tobacco by Boswell.
Boswell, yep.
Good Pennsylvania blend in Pennsylvania forest. You smoking some or you smoking this?
I'll smoke some of that. Oh, if you're gonna track these animals out here, I dump half mine on the ground.
We're a mile and a half into our adventure, into a 5.5 mile hike. Gonna follow this trail. Ready for some Northwoods?
Oh, yeah.
You taste that Latakia in there. A little bit of sweetness from the Cavendish. Beautiful.
Mm.
Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Salivating over here.
Man, I can't wait till the night. Smoking another bowl with our rum liquor. Here, stay right there.
About like an hour. Huh? We've been out here for an hour. A mile and a half.
Northwoods in the Northwoods, baby.
So we're averaging a mile and a half an hour.
Describe it a little bit.
Well, we've done a review of Northwoods before.
All right.
But yeah, it's a healthy blend of Cavendish and Latakia. I'm a fan of Latakia, probably more in the winter, autumn months. Fan of Latakia. Cavendish is good for the summer, I'd say, in my opinion. That sweetness. And Northwoods, good balance of the two. I'm not really sure what else is in it, but
Mainly
I know that this is a popular blend. Hopefully Tanner's not picking this up.
No, I'm picking it up.
He's watering the plants.
Bleeding the lizard.
Yeah, bleeding the lizard. What are some other sayings?
Here, let me go get a. What's the Hodgsons always say? Let me get a little camera action here.
You might need
Go
another
back
light
there
skis.
and look at the quality here.
That's a good thumbnail right there. Smoke right there. Smoking
here.
Northwoods in the Northwoods.